Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel Web Scraping Service. In this YouTube channel, now I will show you how to delete or how to remove the duplicate cell from Google Spreadsheet. In the previous video, I have already showed you how to remove the duplicate rows from Google Spreadsheet, but sometimes we have to remove only the duplicate cell, not the duplicate rows. So in this tutorial I will show you how to remove the duplicate cell from Google Spreadsheet.
30 minutes.
Before starting tutorial, I am requesting you, if you still not subscribe my YouTube channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel and share this video to your Facebook and to your Twitter, so that other people can also learn this kind of various tricks from this YouTube channel. So to remove the duplicate cell from Google Spreadsheet, I will use our awesome extension or awesome add-ons. The name of this add-ons is Power Tools, and I will get this add-ons here. Just click on add-ons and just click on here Power Tool. If you can directly click on here, dedupe and compare, or you can just click on here start. I just click on start. When you click on start, then there will be a pop-up window like this. This pop-up window will come here, and in that pop-up window, in that pen, a Power Tools pen, just click on here and deduct and compare, and in deduct and compare you will find an option remove duplicate cell. So I just want to remove the duplicate cell from this Google Spreadsheet. Okay, so for that, I just select either the full sheet. If you want to remove the duplicate cell from the whole sheet, then you can select the whole sheet, or as I just want to remove the duplicate cell from the column B, as this is the important and all my scraping links exist here. So for that, I just select this one, column B, and just click on here remove duplicate cell. I just select remove duplicate cell, and you see that there is the pop-up window come here is appear, and in the pop-up window section they will ask you to select the cell. So as I have already select the cell column B, so column B colon B, and then click on here next, and you see that here you will get four option here. You get four option here: the duplicate plus first one, and only the unique value, and only the unique plus first one. So, and another additional option you will get here: skip blank rows. I want to skip the blank, but if you think there are more than blank rows here, then you can uncheck this one, and match case the case must be matched. So, and after that, this depends on you. Then click on here next, and here you will get some more function. You can either copy all these duplicate or all this below to another location, or you can move the below to another location, or you can either clear the below. But in that section, I just only want to fill the duplicate cell with color. So I choose first one and here, and just click on here finish, and you see that it is now working here, and you see that total 2902 duplicate values have been found and colored. Just click on here close, and now I will check what duplicate they found. So friend, you see that the magic tricks. So they found the 4 duplicate here, 5 duplicate here, and as I have unchecked the, you see that as I have unchecked the empty cell, so they also check all this as a duplicate. So this is the this is everything I just wanted to make clear. So friends, I hope you are now totally clear about this, and you understand everything what I have tried to make clear and what I have tried to make explain in this video. So if you think this video is something helpful for you, please share this video and subscribe my YouTube channel. And if you have any kind of question, about this video, please comment on my video, and I will try my best to reply you as soon as possible. And you can also visit their website. I will give the website link in my video description. You can visit their website, and you can get all other and good tutorial from their website also. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please take care and pray for me. Bye.